I love coffee. But it needs sugar. Oh, hello. In today's episode, you will learn how to talk about the things you like to do, the things you want to do, the things you need to do, and the things you hate to do. Oh, let me give you an example. I hate to drink black coffee. I want to make it sweet. I need to add sugar. I like to drink sweet coffee. Today you will also learn about job and career advancement. How do you find a job? Well, it's time for our story. Please pay close attention.
More coffee, sir?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Hey, Alejandro. You look happy today.
I am. Look,
What's that?
my certificate from computer class.
Congratulations!
Thanks. Finally.
It took a long time, right?
Yes, 18 months. But I like to work with computers. It's fun.
More fun than taking care of customers?
I like to take care of customers. I don't like to do the dishes.
I hate to do the dishes.
Is it time to work or time to play? Elsie, I need you in the dining area. Now. Alejandro. Yes, sir? I was wondering, how are you doing with your computer classes? I have a certificate of completion. See? Fine. Listen, when you're done here, why don't you come to my office? I want to speak with you about something very important. Of course, Mr. Miller.
Did you hear that?
What?
He wants to talk to you in his office. In private. He needs a new assistant manager and wants to promote you.
That would be great. I need to make more money. And my car has many problems.
Yes, you will get the promotion. You're perfect for it.
Well, yes. I admit, I want to be the new assistant manager.
My new boss, sir.
Have a seat, Alejandro. You know I need to hire an assistant manager. Yes, sir. It's a very important job. Oh, yes, sir. Assistant manager has to work very hard. No problem, sir. That's why I've hired somebody very special. My nephew, Stanley. Nephew? Yes, he's from Texas.
Hi.
Anyway, Alejandro, you like to work with computers.
I hate computers.
Be quiet, Stanley. Anyway, you know computers, and I want you to work with Stanley. Yes, I have a certificate from computer school. Yes, I know. Very impressive, Alejandro. You need to clean tables, so you can go now.
I'm sorry, Alejandro.
I can't believe it. This isn't right. I need to get out of here.
You have to make your computer certificate work for you.
Yeah.
What good is it? There is nothing I can do.
Yes, there is. You can go out and find a new job.
How? I don't have a rich uncle.
There are many ways to find a new job. For example, you can go to a job agency and see a job counselor. Job counselors help many people find a new job. Or you can look in the newspaper. There are a lot of jobs listed in the classified ads.
Hey.
Or you can tell your family and your friends you're looking for a job.
You guys, look. assistant manager needed.
And sometimes you have to look for help wanted signs.
Go on, Alejandro. But what are you waiting for? But that's the competition. Mr. Miller will be angry.
There's no time like the present.
Be confident, my comrade. But
Don't worry, we'll cover for you. Just go get your jacket.
come on, Alejandro. You can do it.
Where's my jacket?
Hello, may I help you?
Hi, are you still looking for an assistant manager?
Oh, yes, we are. Are you here to apply for the position?
Well,
What do you think Alejandro will do? He looks scared. Will he say yes or no? We'll find out in just a moment. But first, today's lesson. Let's review. Want to, need to, like to, hate to. These words are used to express how we think and feel. Notice how they are followed by a simple present tense verb. Watch and listen.
well, yes. I admit, I want to be the new assistant manager.
Alejandro wants to become the new assistant manager. Where else did we see someone want to do something?
I want to speak with you about something very important.
Mr. Miller wants to speak to Alejandro about something very important. Sometimes people want to do something. Sometimes people need to do something. What does Alejandro need to do?
That would be great. I need to make more money.
Alejandro's car has many problems. He needs to make more money. Where else did we see the words need to?
You know I need to hire an assistant manager.
Mr. Miller needs to hire an assistant manager. He doesn't like to do all the work. Where else did we hear someone talk about what they like to do?
I like to work with computers. It's fun.
Alejandro likes to work with computers. That's why he'd make a good assistant manager. The assistant manager needs to work with computers. Where else did we see like to?
I like to take care of customers. I don't like to do the dishes.
Alejandro doesn't like to do the dishes. He likes to take care of customers. Good. Let's review hate to.
I hate to do the dishes.
Would you like to go back to the scene and see what Alejandro says? Of course you do. We have two choices. Choice A, Alejandro says no. Choice B, Alejandro says yes. Good. You picked choice A. Alejandro says no. Let's see what happens.
Are you here to apply for the position?
No. My friend wants to apply.
Okay. Well, tell your friend he needs to come in and fill out an application.
Thanks.
How did it go, Alejandro?
I didn't apply. I was too scared.
Alejandro, where were you? Stanley needs your help.
The inventory changes every day, so you need to change the totals over here like this. Okay? Now to print, you need to click here. Now you do it.
Okay, so to print, I need to click here.
Excellent! Good job, Stanley.
Thank you, Uncle Cosmo.
Isn't he brilliant?
You wanted to see me?
Yeah. I still can't make a print, Alejandro. What button do I push? You didn't tell me I was gonna do this. Why didn't you mention that?
Is this Alejandro's future? He doesn't look very happy, does he? Maybe he made a mistake. Choice B, Alejandro says yes. I want to see what happens when Alejandro says yes. And action!
Oh, yes, we are. Are you here to apply for the position?
Yes, I am. I want to fill out an application.
Great. I'm Martha Gilmore, owner and manager of the restaurant. Please, come into the back office. You can fill out an application, and we can talk.
Thank you.
So, how do you think Alejandro will do in the interview? Will he get the job? You'll have to see our next show in order to answer that question. But for now, let's review some of the English we have learned in today's show. Today we have learned how to use want to, need to, like to, and hate to. These words are used to express what we want and feel. And remember, it's very important to practice, practice, practice your English. Well, I gotta get back to my pie. But I'll see you next time here on English for All.